How to connect Figma to Claude AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open Claude AI and sign into your account. But here, I am already signed in. In the bottom right corner, click your profile icon. Then select Settings. Next, click Connectors. This is where Claude AI lets you connect supported apps and services to your account. Then tap on Add and select Browse Connector. Scroll through the available connectors until you find Figma, then click it. If you have a supported subscription, simply follow the prompts to sign into your Figma account and authorize the connection. If you don't see the option to connect, you'll likely need to upgrade your Claude AI plan. Click Upgrade and choose a plan that includes connectors, such as the Pro plan or another eligible subscription. Once your account is upgraded, return to the Connectors page, select Figma, and complete the connection process. That's it. Your Figma account is now connected to Claude AI, allowing you to use supported design workflows and integrations. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy tech tutorials.